Hi guys, it's Michelle and I'm back with another one of the brand new Renau Fall 2021 styles. This style that I'm wearing right now, she's called Quinn. She's pretty cute. She has an average size of cap. She has a temple to temple lace front to allow for off the face styling. She has a single monofilament parting, so it is a left-sided parting. You cannot change that parting. The sides and back are machine made, they are open wefted. I will show the inside of the cap, but first of all we can talk a bit about the lengths. So this front kind of swoopy bang, curtain bang, whatever we want to call it, it is 7.75 inches in length. Now from the crown we've got 9 inches of length, the sides are 5.75 inches, and from the nape you've got 4.25 inches. Now obviously again where any wig sits on you depends on the length of your face, your neck, your body. There are many factors to consider. So what you can do very easily, if you want to know where say 5 inches is going to sit on you at the front, find your front hairline, get a measuring tape that's 5 inches and you'll see where that lies on you, and you get an idea. But this is really gorgeous. It's a very short kind of between beachy wave and soft curl. I would say it's more of a wave than a curl, but it's really gorgeous. I think this is going to be a super popular style. It is really gorgeous. It is a bit different from January. I love these kind of front curtain bangs, but if you are a lover of January, you're probably going to be a lover of this style as well. It is really gorgeous. I'm going to show you the inside of the cap quickly. As we've said, you have your lace front here, which is your welded lace, running into your welded lace mono left-sided part here. It cannot be changed. The parting, it is only this size here, sorry, your parting here. So what I've done is straight down the centre parted it so that it looks like you can see your scalp coming through here. It is lovely, very comfortable, easy to wear, and I love it because for coming to winter, it's just a nice length that it's not going to be too irritated by scarves. You know how you can get friction damage and the rest. We've got the open wefted sides, open wefted back. We do have an extended nape. As you can see, I've tightened up my Velcro adjusters here because my head's petite, so I have made it smaller by just simply tightening up that circumference here. Now the ear tabs are your kind of felt covered ear tabs with metal stays inside. It's just such a gorgeous style. I do really like it. It's very easy to wear. Yeah, I do. I really like it. Okay. I don't know if this is going to go back to the zigzag factory part or if it's going to stay in the parting I created. Yeah, mine. So this is her. This is gorgeous. Obviously it's not quite long enough for a ponytail, but you could like pin it back, leave parts down if you want to do so. I mean, you could stick a wee bobble in and have a tiny ponytail. But yeah, I mean, that's the thing. If you want something that's short, but also you have the ability to kind of make it more versatile or change it up, you certainly can do that. I'm going to grab a kind of hair elastic bobble type thing. This is like the smallest ponytail on the planet. If I was going to tie this up, what I would actually do to tie this up is I'd be using like hairpins and just giving it a wee pin up and making it look like an updo. But the gorgeous thing is the natural lengths around the front and the face and these curtain bangs all just sit down so beautifully, so nicely. And it is a style that can take you from day through to night, and that is something that I really love. Beautiful, just another new addition to the Renau Smart Lace collection for fall 2021. I love it, it's gorgeous. I'm Michelle. This wig bad boy is called Quinn. I'm wearing the shades 42730, which is German chocolate, and that's all from me for now. I have another wig to review for you and I will be back very soon. It is lovely to be back. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. Please feel free to subscribe, comment, like, dislike, whatever you fancy. If you want some wig reviews and to see what's coming up, feel free to follow me. That'd be lovely. But take care, keep sparkling, be real beautiful. I'll be back soon with more wig reviews. Mwah! Bye!